Hey, it's Motell Granted the Great. Thanking God again, one more again. Subscribe, like, comment, what else? Share. But this time I'm talking about lonely people. And lonely people should not throw darts at people that are not lonely. If you're going through something, you stressed, you strained, and you need help, and you on a respirator of life for love, you might want to be quiet. You might want to shut up and try and see if anybody, and I mean anybody, from hobos, hillbillies, and niggas alike, is interested in spending some time with you to make you feel better, to inflate that balloon. And this time I'm not talking about the duplex part of you. Bobby Womack, word to Bobby Womack. Bobby Womack said, if you think you lonely now, what'd he say? Can y'all finish the rest of it? Wait until tonight. Somebody go and get that Jodeci to sing that. Watch Casey. Watch Casey. I went to a concert. Shout out Key. I went to a concert and they carried his skin and bones around as he was laying back saying, if you think you're lonely now. He might have been talking about Mary J. Blige, but I can't confirm that. But you can kind of feel it in the Cleveland building. Shout out to Georgia. So for anybody in this area, this Georgia area, surrounding areas, pushing all the way out to the West Coast, down south, up north, across the seas, whether you're Asian, Arabic, or whatever else. If you experience loneliness, you might want to be careful the way you treat people that are not lonely. Because calling somebody's bluff or making an attempt to bluff somebody is not going to work out in your favor. So if you think you're lonely now, wait until tonight. So one thing for sure, sex is definitely better than somebody that's lonely and trying to play this game of poker and use a poker face to trick somebody into lusting or loving you. They don't want to date you. They don't want to get into no relationship. And they damn sure don't want to marry you. Because it costs too much titanium or whatever to put on that finger. Nobody got that much space. That's going to even make LeBron James start to sweat. Trying to find that much titanium to put on that ring finger. Calcium is too high. So if you're feeling lonely, why don't you try this thing called exercise? You ever thought about it? Instead of that arm being up like this near the mouth area, put it down and back up, but don't have anything on it. And it's almost like you're walking or marching. You ever heard of walking and exercise? And maybe the landscape will change. But don't forget, shut your mouth. Y'all talk too much.